All right, here we go again. Another unboxing, another impulse buy. Let's open up and see what we got. Okay. I'm going heavy on the PCGS lately. I like the PCGS registry a little bit more than the NGC registry. I feel like the NGC registry, I like that the NGC registry ranks collectors and gives you total scores for everything, more or less everything in your collection, regardless of what set it fits into. I really like that. I wish PCGS would do that. But I feel like the sets in PCGS are better curated. I feel like that's where the more serious collectors are, so to speak. Not that people are unserious, but you know, your top sets for US coinage, they're mostly in PCGS. Now, I like that NGC lets you put PCGS coins in their registry. PCGS's market position allows them to exclude NGC, which, you know, hey, it is their registry. So, anyway, this is what I grabbed. I picked this up. This is another impulse buy. You know, I'm not a Lincoln Cent collector, and I know I've shown a couple of these recently. I am not a Lincoln Cent collector. I'm going to turn that ring light off. I'm still experimenting with different lighting. There we go. Again, I'm not a Lincoln Cent collector. I'm basically doing a big typeset right now. This is not even my best Lincoln Cent. I've got better wheat cents than this. But I thought, again, this just had a really nice red look. I love when they have this real sharp orangey, almost like almost fiery kind of coppery look. You know, it even gets a little bit into red, but it's really orange, and it's slightly redder than you normally see in copper. I just really like that look. This is a good price on this coin. It is cacked, which, you know, for an MS66 1940S wheat cent, I don't think is really a big deal. But, you know, anytime you can pay non-cack money for a cacked coin, it's a good thing to grab. And, you know, if you compare, you know, you might recall the other day I opened an MS63. Now you can see quite a substantial difference between the 63RB and the 66RD. Really, when you get in the 66s, 67s, these coins, they just become beautiful. Now, I wish the holder didn't have that smudge behind old Abe's head there, but I can probably buff that out. Anyway, I just picked this up. You know, I think it's neat. What can I say? Doing a few too many directionless impulse buys lately. Kind of getting a lot of low-hanging fruit, kind of cheaper stuff like this. This was, I think, $50, which, you know, I don't think was a bad price. I don't think it was some great steal or anything, but I don't think it was a bad price. I do have some silver coming, so I'll be opening some silver probably in our next video. And I'm still sort of exploring lighting and audio. I need to figure out audio levels. So I'm still in the stage of just playing around and learning how YouTube works. So don't take these videos too seriously. Pretty soon we'll have a real launch of the channel. I'm getting ready to do some silver bar pouring probably this coming weekend, and I think that's when we'll start getting serious about video production and actually having interesting content, whereas now just kind of getting used to doing it, used to using YouTube, used to playing with the videos. So anyway, thanks a lot. I'll be back soon. See ya.